So I bought some stuff on Taobao and I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's my earrings! I tried out the Wasadu lashes. I think it's not bad, but it's kind of heavy. Then I think it's an earring. It's the one side one. It's a necklace. The ribbon necklace box. It's cute. 2 boxes. They gave me this. I really like this because I like those earrings that protrude out because my ears are a bit flat. Okay, they are flat. Then they gave us the box. I think I bought the small one and the big one. With the ribbon. Oh my god, it's so cute! They have like this ribbons at the bottom. Kinda heavy. So cute! I think we will button this part, so it's a 2-piece top. I really forget. It looks like a cardigan. It's from Pain of Pleasure. There's 2. I got this. It's a pants, long pants, and then at the side you can tie it into a ribbon. It looks kind of big. A ribbon socks. It's tight at the bottom. Wow, it's so nice. That's all I have for my Taobao. Me on the roof. Yeah, more finishing my food. I'm into you. Such a JJ. Can't deny this chemistry. When you're with me, be honest. Let's just be honest. Come me. Hi, you're the best. We are escape room. But we don't want to bring. What it feels like the way that you're turning me around. If you ever feel that, let me know. Not bad. Bagus. Oh, it's the fork and spoon, the edible. Oh my god. The edible. I think mine not bad. Fork and spoon. I got baguette. This is 150. I missed 140. I missed 132. I was 150. I was 152. Oh. The way that you're turning me around. If you ever feel down and out, let me know. Ah, that's my garden. What's the zoo? This is my country. I don't think it knows. It's in the car.
Marianne's main mode of transport. This is my main mode of transport.
Never understood what it feels like the way that you're turning me around. If you ever feel down and out, let me know.
J'essaie de trouver des gens.
Nothing. Anyways, this is what we got today.
Don't be sleeping, no, your love, nothing's better. Don't be sleeping, no, you, there's nothing better.
Marianne. See her clip. You want to experience earthquake? Oh, wow, wow.
The earthquake struck Kathmandu, Nepal. Almost 9,000. But we can learn how to limit the damage.
She's crazy. Sing it. Sing it. But it tastes like nothing. Okay, let's say it's nice. I mean, it's like nothing. What is she doing? She wants the bird. What time is it? I think it's before 2 AM. It's 1:45 or something. And we came out.
Okay, we are going to the side of the road because there are cars in front of
And
us.
we are going home. I mean, Charles going back home. Yeah, we're going home.
So what do you get?
I got kimchi ramen.
Kimchi ramen? Okay. Walking and eating kimchi ramen.
Yeah. She's eating the Grab. A lot of people are going back now.
So we got a
rush.
Pali Yuseo.
It's just really book now.
I'll see you all again. Yeah, book.
Book now.
Bye. You know how it was last year? It was crazy, though.
We found a driver.
I'm very happy. Come and go home. Go home.
NTU
bathe.
is your home?
Yes, I can bathe. And feel good. Hello.
Happy birthday to you.
let me show you. Let me give you a tour, okay? This one, Marian take one. This one, Marian take one. This one, Marian take one.
No, it's for you.
This one, Marian take one.
No, you take one. That one you take one.
How many cups of coffee does Marian have?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So well.
But you say you're handsome.
No, it's on the show day. Hi Tommy, so where are we going?
Bishan, Junction 8. Going back to reminisce my J8, my JC and Sec school days, you know.
Sec school day,
Since February 4,
Okay.
I've been hanging out at Junction 8.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Can you tell me more about this movie?
瞒天过海, so it's a Chinese movie. I don't know anything about it.
Oh, is it?
It's a pretty good movie with a lot of twists and turns, and we'll find out the mystery and we'll uncover the mystery together later.
Oh.
You know, but time now is 7:55.
Okay.
So the movie starts at 8:15. Don't know whether we can get. But
Should be fine if you drive fast enough.
Confirm got everything.
So
you need to find parking and buy tickets.
Right now we are in.
I can't understand.
Wow, he damn bad leh.
We're in. We're in
He's
Tor.
showing his teeth only.
That's how the horror movies always like. Then only the heart bottom of the face and.
You kiss my kind of
Hey, all the the November video where you haven't sent us.
I posted on YouTube.
Then send us the link.
So scary.
Pidinim is here. Pidinim. This is our main character.
Nani?
This is our assistant PD. Assistant PD, the editor.
Tommy,
Yeah?
I think right, I dropped my fish.
At my house?
Oh. This is a good clip for YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. How to stop?
This button.
Wait.
Button.
This?
Wait.
This?
No, this one. Yeah. How you think
First day at Junction 8, I would say, man, I didn't really get an opportunity to really explore it more, but I think the Golden Village is alright, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's alright.
Wait, 3, 2, 1.
I'm the very.
Police are playing Mario Kart. So how's life?
I'm a pretty boy living on the west side. Living so loud you can never hear me cry. See no tears run down my eyes. All these hills they burn so bright. All these hills they bring me life. All these hills, all these hills.
So different. He's not like good boy. Like he's very boss. He look like uncle.
What are your final words?
Don't come back a millionaire.
Aspiring millionaire.
Don't forget.
If you're a millionaire, don't need to come back already.
Love for this, say just one.